student, you are on to Dr. Hoji's tutorial class. In this video, we want to solve a problem on trigonometry. Stay blessed. Don't forget to click on the notification button so that each time I upload a video, you'll be duly notified. Assuming the appropriate formula for cos theta, we want to assume the appropriate formula for cos theta. We are asked to prove that cos 4 theta is equals to 1 minus 8 sine square theta plus 8 sine raised power 4 theta. That is when you multiply sine theta 4 times. Chord multiplication, chord multiple of sine theta. Now, we are asked to assume the appropriate formula. You know, cos 2 theta itself is cos theta plus theta. So we recall. So let's say we recall that. So from our addition angle formula, cos theta minus sine theta. So this will give us what? Cos square theta minus sine square theta. So that's what the value will give us. Now, if we look at the given problem, you will see that there is no cos theta in the right hand side of the expression. So it will be better we change this one to a form that we don't have cos theta. So how do we go about that? Now say, since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So how do we make cos theta as a formula? We have then cos square theta will be 1. Whereas when you make cos square theta as a formula, you know, sine square theta will go to the right hand side and become 1 minus sine square theta. So now cos square theta is the same thing as 1 minus sine square theta. So that implies this equation 1, let's call this what we have just gotten now, equation 2. You can say putting 2 into 1, gives, gives what? Gives cos 2 theta now. Cos 2 theta will now be equals to cos square theta is now what? 1 minus sine square theta minus sine square theta. So that will give us what? 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So cos 2 theta is now the same thing as 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now, I think it will be easier now to evaluate what we have to evaluate. We have to evaluate cos 4 theta. Fine. Cos 4 theta. Okay. Now, cos 4 theta will be equal to cos 2 theta plus 2 theta. Yes. So, applying cos addition formula for cosine. We have what? Cos 2 theta minus sine 2 theta sine 2 theta. Okay, so this one means cos square 2 theta minus sine square 2 theta. Okay, fine. That's very good. So now, how do we go about this? Fine. You know, cos square 2 theta is the same thing as cos 2 theta twice. And we have gotten cos 2 theta to be this. So that means we can write this one as what? 1 minus 2 sine square theta square. Because cos 2 theta is this. So square of it will be multiplied by itself again. Then minus sine square 2 theta. Now we need to evaluate sine 2 theta as well. We have to recall that recall sine 2 theta is equals to sine theta plus theta. So by the time you evaluate this, that will give us sine theta cos theta plus cos theta sine theta. So by the time you add them up, sine theta cos theta plus, that's 2 sine theta cos theta. So that is the value you're going to get there. But for sine square 2 theta, that is sine square, therefore sine square 2 theta will be 2 sine theta cos theta square. Yes, because sine 2 theta is this, sine square. That means sine 2 theta twice. This will give us what? 4 sine square theta cos square theta. So we have gotten that. Now let's call this one equation 3. Okay. Now putting, let's say this is 4 as we want. You can now put 4 into 3. Now putting 4 into 3, we have to take it lightly so that we don't mess it up. Putting 4 into 3, we have putting 4 into 3. We get, what do we get? Yeah, we get cos 4 theta will now be equals to, what did we get there? 1 minus 2 sine square theta square minus sine square 2 theta. That's what? 4 sine square theta. Are we following? Cos square theta. Now we still have cos square theta. We have to remove that. So we have, by the time we expand this, we are going to have 1 minus 4 sine square theta plus 4 sine raised to power 4 theta, then minus 4 sine square theta. Then this one will be 1 minus sine square theta, because we don't want to see anything cos in that expression. We don't want to see anything cos in the expression. Okay, I hope you know how to expand this. This is just 1 minus 2 sine square theta twice. So you get this if you expand it. So yeah, let's expand this one also. That will be what? 1 minus 4 sine square theta plus 4 sine raised to power 4 theta. Then you are expanding minus 4 sine square theta. Then minus times minus plus 4 sine raised to power 4 theta. So any like terms? Yes. So we have 1 minus 4 sine square theta, then minus 4 sine square theta plus 4 sine raised to power 4 theta plus 4 sine raised to power 4 theta. So that will give us what? 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 8, since they have the same value of sine square theta. So minus 8 sine square theta, then plus 4 sine raised to power 4 theta plus 4 sine raised to power 4 theta. That's like I say 4x plus 4x. That's 4 plus 4 is 8 sine raised to power 4 theta. So we check what the question asks us to do. You see that we have virtually proved, we have completely rather proved what we are asked to prove. They have asked to prove that cos 4 theta equals to 1 minus 8 sine square theta plus 8 sine raised to power 4 theta. So that is the end of that one. So we shall meet again in the next video. Stay blessed.